animals and their baby name. Dog. Puppy. Baby dog is called puppy. Cat. Kitten. Baby cat is called kitten. Cow. Calf. Baby cow is called calf. Goat. Kid. Baby goat is called kid. Sheep. Lamb. Baby sheep is called lamb. Chicken. Chick. Baby chicken is called chick. Duck. Duckling. Baby duck is called duckling. Frog. Tadpole. Baby frog is called tadpole. Butterfly. Caterpillar. Baby butterfly is called caterpillar. Rabbit. Bunny. Baby rabbit is called bunny. Elephant. Calf. Baby elephant is called calf. Horse. Foal. Baby horse is called foal. Camel. Calf. Baby camel is called calf. Lion. Cub. Baby lion is called cub. Tiger. Cub. Baby tiger is called cub. Zebra. Calf. Baby zebra is called calf. Deer. Fawn. Baby deer is called fawn. Donkey. Foal. Baby donkey is called foal. Kangaroo. Joey. Baby kangaroo is called Joey. Giraffe. Calf. Baby giraffe is called calf. Wolf. Pup. Baby wolf is called pup. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more videos.